That's the 64 T-Bird Landau. It's very, very dirty right now. It's doing construction on my road, and yeah, it's not good at all. And everything I got around here's got white dust on it. But no real dings or dents in the body. And the tires are hard to see, but they're in good shape. Again, difficult to see, but floor pans are not rotted out. Anything like that. Ooh. Okay. All 390 right here. And pop this off. I have converted it to the Pertronix kit because it was eating condensers. I got sick of changing them. Moderns are kind of crap. Oh. So the choke is broken there, which is a lot of the cold start issues, but not all of them, because it does shake some still. Doesn't run quite like it should, in my opinion. AC compressor turns, it does need a charge. It was blowing cold, so it's just leaked out. I do have a keep alive on the battery, just because it sits. All the under hood is in pretty good shape. Come down this side. This side definitely has the better paint on it. I don't know if it was sitting under a carport and one half was getting sun and one half wasn't, but this top does clean up really nice. I mean, you can see right there it turns white again. It's just really dirty right now. Again, no real dings or dents or anything. It does have a little bit of paint chip in there. Let's see the floor pans on this side now. Alrighty. Nothing really going on there. I mean, it's been sitting on this concrete forever. And, no real oil leaks. You can see the engine, oil pan, and all that. Oh. The carburetor head back on. Come here to the inside, and again, really dirty right now, but door panels are in good shape. The seats are in good shape. You can see the little poster we made of the car from where it was on Misfit. Okay. Turn ignition on. Stuff like the door jar light works. That back wing window doesn't appear to want to go down, and neither does that one. So the rears, unless it's just the switches, no, the rears are not wanting to go up and down, but the fronts do. Yeah. I mean, even little stuff like those lights work. Let's see. It will crank. Fuel gauge does work. It's about out of gas right now. Oil pressure will come up in a minute. Average works. This particular gauge here works. They give you oil pressure a little bit of time, but it'll come up. There it goes. Speedometer works. Odometer showing that. Now my foot's off the gas right now. Choke may be stuck a little bit on. It's idling kind of high. So, I mean, you can hear it and everything. I mean, see if it'll stay in gear. But yeah, I mean, you can see it shaking pretty good, but when it warms up, it doesn't shake quite as bad. It is drivable. Oil pressure finally woke up. Steering wheel slider works. Let's see. That actually kicked the compressor on out there. But the fan is blowing on my foot down there, so idling on its own and kind of chugging. Smells rich. Let's see. Trunk lid pops. The spare tire there. All the trunk stuff is there. The trunk weather stripping is cracked a little bit. There. There's just that minor bit of surface rusting going on there. We got the nothing in the usual spots. A little bit there. So all like the jacking instructions, everything are still intact. All the signatures of the Misfit crew from that day and the director and whatnot. We got Jordan Butler, Thomas Weeks, Soup Bone, Cliff, and I think Tom Smith is over on the left, I believe. A little bit of stuff there. It's mostly surface. Nothing in the skirting area. I think I have pictures of that. No rust in there. No rust in the rockers or on the underside of the doors, which is, well, what's that? Not rust. Maybe rust repaired at one point. Almost looks like welding. Weather stripping has some minor cracking in it. I think, let's see, seat, power seat does work. Windshield wipers, I believe, work. Are they vacuum? Vacuum. Do they work? Don't think the clock works in it. Horn, you asked about the horn. Let's see. Horn. Worked briefly. There may be some. There it is. So horn works. I think that's just about everything. Mirrors aren't power, I believe, though. Just that little thing, and that piece works. Last I checked, headlights and taillights worked. So yeah, that's pretty much the car. It's not the best, not the worst. It's little bit of work, I think it'd make a pretty good daily, or just something to cruise around to shows in. That should do it. Thanks for watching.